G'day everyone, welcome back to Tom's Farm. Today we're doing a bit of George cam. So John's asked me to film from the header. So you know what, I thought I'd give it a go. Henry's a bit camera shy, so I stepped in for him. And so yeah, this is a new video, George cam today. Hopefully I should film some stuff. And yeah, let's crack on. And I want John to put like a sick drone shot in now. So drone shot. Hello everyone, John's gonna like this. John has asked me to record some stuff from the header. There you go. And by the way, John, I've had to stop my music to do this because I thought you probably don't want to be getting copyrighted. So I've stopped my music just for you guys. So yeah, no, John said take some videos throughout the day. So it is currently, what is it, half 10 in the morning, and yeah, I thought I'd show you what we're doing. So we're cutting canola, we're in Hatton's back. It's going well so far. I don't want to jinx it, but it's going well. It's all going well. It's feeding very nice. We're moving. What I'm doing, it's moisture is, well, mine's reading 7.5, and right now I'm doing 1.4 ton to the hectare, but we're not too sure about this machine. It might be reading it a bit high. So yeah, it's George. I'm back. I am back from the dead. If you don't know me, I am the geezer. I am Tom Brook's farm like saviour. That's who I am. I'm a smooth operator, me. Definitely haven't hit a rock. My first day, I may have hit a rock just there. Did a little bit of damage. A little bit. But no, it's all good. So I guess George comes back and I'll hopefully video some more throughout the day. And I mean, like, I would say if I hit something, I'll get the camera out, but I'm not planning on hitting anything. So yeah. I'll keep you all posted. Right, hopefully the mic's on. Yet to figure that out. I was going to show you my auto turning. So hopefully, if I lift up the front, it's always a bit scary. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see, but it's turning on its own. Who needs a steering wheel, eh? And then it will swing me back around to this run and drop it down Too easy. Back into it. Now, I've got the worst run, and Henry knows it, because I've got a tram line in. If you look just there, I've got to have my reel in like the perfect spot, not too far down, because if I have it too far down, well, you'll see, I'll put it down. Because there's no crop where the tram line is, it like flicks up like that, and what will happen, it will flick up and kind of sit here, and if you don't realise or you leave it for long enough, it'll eventually block your intake. So you've just got to be careful. I mean, like, I hate having the tram line, but Henry's quite clever and he always makes sure he's not got it unless I complain. So see, like there, it just like flicks it up. It's basically because where the tram line is, there's no crop coming in. So obviously there's crop coming in, so there's always fresh crop hitting it. But here, there's no fresh crop hitting the canola that's going across. So the reel is effectively like, it flicks it up because there's no crop keeping it from flicking up. But yeah, no, that was the order steer. The only thing is, it won't do like 1 and then skip 2, just because that's how me and Henry work. So every time you turn around, you've got to go here, and I just got to go back 1. So now, let me pick it up. Now I'm missing 0 runs, and it like sets your line for you, and you can turn. So you don't even have to use the steering wheel these days. Oh no, I look shocking. John, can you like CGI just so I look sick, you know what I mean? But no, heck, so yeah, I don't know. Oh no, like that. How you get a block? You see, I'm not focusing, so I'm getting blocks, John. All because you wanted filming. But no, Henry's a bit camera shy, so I thought I'd step in and do the work properly. Yeah.
Not sure what the last load was, but current average for this load is 7.3. I think last one was like 7.5 or something. Oh, yeah, very good.
Right, we're coming up to an end. So I've got my turn setting, so it's missing no run, so it's just turning me on to my next run. Annoyingly, it doesn't pick up the front on its own, so you still have to lower, so pick up and lower the front. I mean, like, I would say it's annoying, but equally, it is turning for you, so you've got to probably do something, I guess. So yeah, hopefully I've done the screen bigger so you'll see it a bit better. So we're coming up to the end of the run here. Still feeling pretty nice. Now normally it gives you like a warning and you have to accept it, but it does it sometimes, sometimes not. So if you see that blue line, I'm not sure if you can quite see it, there you go. Just turn white. So I pick up the front and I just sit here and pray to God, and it turns you around. Then all I've got to do is just drop my front back down. I mean, like, I haven't adjusted my speed or anything, and yeah, there you go, we're back on auto steer, back on the trams. But yeah, no, it's just annoying because obviously my next run I have to skip 1, 2 to get on to my next run. But here it says it wants to put me on my next run, so I have to just quickly add 2. So basically now I'm skipping 2 and going on the 3rd one. So yeah, you've just got to remember to do that every time. I mean, like, to be honest, it's not too much of a hassle. But no, it is pretty sweet that yeah, me and Henry have got it working. And yeah, I have to say, when it's like dusty, or when you're like Henry there cutting out, when he just went on his third run that would have been this one he's on now, like it's sometimes hard to like judge where the line is, but with this turning, you know, it puts you dead on every time. So yeah, no, pretty sweet. But no, we're still rolling. Moisture is saying 7%. I'm doing 1.6, but that's definitely high. Definitely high. And yeah, I would listen to the radio, but I know John would get done for like copyright, so when I'm filming I've turned the radio off, so I hope you appreciate that, John. Make sure you get all the money. So yeah, I'll yeah, keep you posted, but hopefully no problems should occur. So now me and Henry are doing the headland. So we haven't actually done the headland of this field yet, just because we were yesterday, John just needed grain, so we just did a quick headland. So yeah, we're going to do the whole headland of the field now. As you can see, it's not the nicest of parts to cut. This was actually where we so Henry ripped this with the ripper, and then I smudged it. Last year it got really bad, just from the wet year that we had. Like the tram lines and stuff got really deep, and it was bumpy AF. So yeah, doing the headlands. Hopefully it should be all good. You kind of see, well, I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to say you can see. There's when it got ripped and then smudged, I think when the seeder came through and yeah, seeded the crop, it kind of like pulled all the big chunks of clay back up, which is a bit annoying because they're all sticking up now, so it's almost like hitting a rock. So yeah, I've just gotta look out for them. But nah, I'll yeah, I don't know, just headland, isn't it? So Henry's in front of me. He's doing the outside lap along the fence line. I'm doing the second pass. It's not yielding the best. Mine says, oh, knit a ton. I don't think it is doing a ton though. You can probably see behind me. I've got a lot of barley in there. So there's a fair bit of barley and ryegrass about, which is fine, you know, it's not green. I'm presuming it's been sprayed off. Yeah, it has been sprayed off. So it's going through the combine alright, or the header, as you Aussie people call it. And yeah, we're just ticking along. Righto YouTube, we are... Oh, slow down. So me and Henry have been going all day. How many hectares have I done? Oh, area work. I've done 100 hectares. Sweet. So Henry's probably done the same. There we go. Hopefully my hair isn't too bad. So yeah, I've done 100 hectares today. I've had no problems. That's why the camera has not been out. It's literally just been yeah, pretty breezy, to be honest. Me and Henry have been going about 9Ks. Yeah, no problems. All been feeding fine. As you can see, it's looking a bit cloudy outside now though. So yeah, sorry, normally, like, well, I say normally, I feel like something should have gone wrong and then I could have filmed it, but nothing did go wrong. So I'm like, it's a good thing. It's a good thing that nothing went wrong. It's a good thing. So there you go. I'll probably go leave the video there. It's I don't know what John's gonna do with it, but to be honest, I didn't film heaps just because not a lot was going on. And I've heard that dinner's on the way out, and dinner is the best time of the day, best time of my day anyway, and it's nachos tonight, and Rhiannon will know that nachos, oh, it's the best. Like, nachos win every time. So my favourite time of the day is coming up. She's coming out. So yeah, and John asked me, I've just broken your tripod, John asked me to do an outro, so I don't know what this video is going to look like. But thank you very much for watching Tom's Brook Farm. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I think that's what John says. And yeah, we'll catch us in the next one, I guess. See you later.